We need to transform learning. We need to shift the educational paradigm. We need to minimize the gap between the jungle outside and the knowledge that is required to survive out there. What I need is interaction, mobility, learning, teaching, and innovation in a classroom. And all of this combined is an iPad.
The combination of the iPad itself and its ability to take a photograph, it's a camera, and the first app to edit the photo and the second app to publish the book and integrating all the media is a real efficiency, and it's a powerful tool in that sense. I think students would be really engaged to have that much in their hands.
So previously we used to brainstorm on the Promethean board, where students would often just shout out what we're looking for in terms of our ideas. iBrainstorm takes it to a new level. It allows students to actually participate in a way that we can monitor what they're doing, and also as a collective see all our students' ideas instead of just the ones that like to talk loudly.
iPads enable students to make learning more personal. They can use their iPads to create their own learning material.
They can make a list of the words, and with each word they can have a picture, they can have the definition, or even they can have the Arabic meaning for each one.
The teaching of statistics has and continues to be an important part of math education. Before the introduction of the iPad, if we wanted to gather data on different countries worldwide, we would have to go to Google, type in keywords into the search engine, and then scroll through pages of data to get the relevant information we need. But now, with the invention of the iPad, we have all of this information at the touch of a screen.
iPad, the interaction can be increased, and this is what I'm going to show you, and the application is called Show Me. You can do a number of things. You can draw a diagram, you can specifically write notes on it, send the notes to the students.
Previously, when I was teaching counting, I'd be using a whiteboard. But now, with the combination of the iPad and iBooks Author app, my students can learn at their own time, their own pace, anytime, anywhere.
Traditionally, the teacher was positioned at the front of the room presenting a lesson. Now teachers can create dynamic multimedia presentations, videos can be included along with quizzes and graphic assignments. Students engage with the material on their own individual screens. They respond to the material immediately, and within seconds the teacher can gauge comprehension both on a class level and on a student level.
Actually, the iPad tailored educational solution and therefore give it to our students customized according to their needs. In this in-house developed application, as you can see, our students are given the portability and simplicity of choosing the program that best fit their inspiration.
Well, to introduce the concept of angles in math, we used to use a Promethean board, and we would have static images taken from a still camera up on the board, and we would discuss various angles from supplementary, complementary, straight, acute and obtuse and reflex, but it was all very static. So with the introduction of the iPad, it's allowed us to become more dynamic and to take the class outside of the classroom. So students are able to wander around the corridor, use the app to find the angles of various real-life objects, and it just ties in much easier with the classroom discussion when they come back.